Welcome to another episode of Everyday Green. Today, we're gonna show you the 5 dangerous deadliest birds on planet Earth that are popular for attacking humans and hunting down different animals. On number 1 are the cassowaries. Cassowaries are among the largest birds on the planet. The southern cassowary is the largest, reaching 5.8 feet, 170 centimeters in height. Males weigh up to 121 pounds, 55 kilograms, and females reach about 167 pounds, 76 kilograms. They live in habitats that span parts of Australia and New Guinea. The cassowary has been known to kill human beings with slashing blows of its feet, as the innermost of its 3 toes bears a long dagger-like nail. The bird has been observed moving rapidly along narrow tracks in the bush, sprinting as fast as 50 kilometers, 31 miles per hour. One of the most famous attacks, and the only one known to result in a confirmed death, occurred in 1926. One member of a group of teenaged boys hunting cassowaries was killed after a cassowary leapt upon him while he was on the ground. The bird slashed the boy's jugular vein with its long toenail. Cassowaries have 3-toed feet with sharp claws. The second toe, the inner one in the medial position, sports a dagger-like claw that may be 125 millimeters (5 in) long. This claw is particularly fearsome, since cassowaries sometimes kick humans and other animals with their powerful legs. They are good swimmers, crossing wide rivers and swimming in the sea. Number 2 are the emu. Emu, flightless bird of Australia that is the second largest living bird. The emu is more than 1.5 meters, 5 feet, tall and may weigh more than 45 kilograms, 100 pounds. The emu is the sole living member of the family Dromaeodae, or Dromaeosauridae, of the order Casuariiformes, which also includes the cassowaries. Emus can dash away at nearly 50 kilometers, 30 miles per hour. If cornered, they kick with their big 3-toed feet. Emus mate for life. The male incubates 7 to 10 dark green eggs, 13 centimeters, 5 inches, long, in a ground nest for about 60 days. The striped young soon run with the adults. In small flocks, emus forage for fruits and insects, but may also damage crops. The emu's range covers most of mainland Australia, but the Tasmanian, Kangaroo Island, and King Island subspecies became extinct after the European settlement of Australia in 1788. Emus are inquisitive birds and have been known to approach humans if they see unexpected movement of a limb or piece of clothing. In the wild, they may follow and observe people. Emus forage in a diurnal pattern and eat a variety of native and introduced plant species. The diet depends on seasonal availability, with such plants as acacia, casuarina, and grasses being favored. They also eat insects and other arthropods, including grasshoppers and crickets, beetles, cockroaches, ladybirds, bogong and cotton boll moth larvae, ants, spiders, and millipedes. This provides a large part of their protein requirements. On number 3 are the ostriches. Ostrich, Struthiocamelus, large flightless bird found only in open country in Africa. The largest living bird, an adult male, may be 2.75 meters, about 9 feet, tall. Almost half of its height is neck and weigh more than 150 kilograms, 330 pounds. The female is somewhat smaller. The ostrich's egg, averaging about 150 millimeters, 6 inches, in length by 125 millimeters, 5 inches, in diameter, and about 1.35 kilograms, 3 pounds, is also the world's largest. The male is mostly black, but has white plumes in the wings and tail. Females are mostly brown. The head and most of the neck, reddish to bluish in color, is lightly downed. The legs, including the powerful thighs, are bare. The head is small, the bill short and rather wide. The big brown eyes have thick black lashes. The ostrich relies on its strong legs, uniquely two-toed, with the main toe developed almost as a hoof to escape its enemies, chiefly humans and the larger carnivores. A frightened ostrich can achieve a speed of 72.5 kilometers, 45 miles per hour. If cornered, it can deliver dangerous kicks. Ostriches live mainly on vegetation, but also take some animal food, mainly insects. They can go without water for long periods. On number 4 are the great horned owl. The common name of this bird is great horned owl, and the scientific name is Bubo virginianus. Their average lifespan in the wild is 5 to 15 years. Their body size is 18 to 25 inches, wingspan 3.3 to 4.8 feet. Great horned owl weigh 2.5 to 5.5 pounds. The great horned owl is the most common owl of the Americas, easily recognizable because of the feather tufts on its head. These plumicorns resemble horns or, to some, cat-like ears. Great horned owls are adaptable birds and live from the Arctic to South America. They are at home in suburbia as well as in woods and farmlands. Northern populations migrate in winter, but most live permanently in more temperate climes. Like other owls, these birds have an incredible digestive system. They sometimes swallow their prey whole and later regurgitate pellets composed of bone, fur, and the other unwanted parts of their meal. Owls are efficient nighttime hunters that strike from above, and use their powerful talons to kill and carry animals several times heavier than themselves. On number 5 are the bearded vultures. The bearded vulture, or lammergeier, is one intense bird. It lives on a steady diet of bones and dyes its feathers blood red, giving it the reputation of one of the most metal birds in the animal kingdom. As a result of its appearance and diet, the vulture has a nasty reputation of carrying away lambs, calves, and even children. This is, of course, disputable. The birds are not known to be hostile toward living humans. 80% of the bird's diet consists of bone and bone marrow. Its stomach acid has a pH of about 1, so the dense material can be digested in under 24 hours. Besides bones, they also eat small lizards and turtles. These giant birds can grow up to 4 feet tall. They have a wingspan between 7 and 9 feet and usually weigh around 10 to 15 pounds. In captivity, lammergeiers can live to the ripe old age of 45. The average lifespan of a wild vulture is only 21.4 years, but that factors in the untimely deaths that come with the dangers of the wild. That's all from today's episode of Everyday Green. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share.